Okay, the chapter that we are going to start today. Okay, so we are going to learn the compulsory math, and today we are going to learn the chapter called set. Okay, so this set chapter we have learned in class 8 also. Okay, just a revised version in class 9. So let us learn. So let me operate with my phone. Okay, so here it is given that. Okay, so the usual term that we have to use in this chapter is u. This n or opposite in the opposite n or something like that is there. So b, and there is some bar is there. Okay, complement is there. So what is the meaning of that? So we have already learned in class 8 also. So let us learn further in class 9 also. Okay, now we are class 9. So let me start this topic. So look at here. So this U sign, this represents the union. Okay. So union. Union means what? It means all. All of you focus in the screen and keep on writing also. This U represents union. Union means you need to take all the numbers. This opposite U, that is your N type conjunction, so that is the intersection. Okay. So what does the intersection means? So intersection means only the common only. Okay, only the common number. Intersection means only the common number. Okay, so b, and if there is some bar, okay, if there is bar or there is a bar is there, so this means complement. This can be written as like this also, dash also. Okay, a power 1, like a power 1 also. So this means also complement. Okay, so this complement in this complement, so complement means except one to b bahek number. So the number except b is called b complement. So here we can see that a, the value of a is given, the value of b is given, the value of c is given. Okay, and u means it is not union. You know, there are two u over here. So this u means the universal set. Universal means all. सबकै पर्छ यता चाहिँ. Okay. So universal means whatever number is there in A, whatever number is there in B, whatever number is there in C, and extra numbers are also there sometimes. Okay, the universal ma chai there are some extra numbers also. So this is the universal set, and jun u chai, if it is used in between two elements, these two numbers, then that is called union or LIC union. This is called universal set. Correct? So a few questions I have written over here for you all. So let us deal with this one. Okay, so A union B. A union B. What is the meaning of union? Union means all. So first of all, you need to take the value of A. A means what? A means A, B, C, D, E, F. A means A, B, C, D, E, F. Write down the value of A. Write down the value of A. Okay. So A means A, B, C, D, E, F. Write down A, B, C, D, E, F. There is union, so write down the union. Okay. Write down union sign. And what is the value of B? B means B, D, E, G, H. B, D, E, G, H. Okay, so BDEGH, and in case of union we need to write down all the numbers. Okay, so that's why let us write down all the numbers. If there is common, just write down only one time. Suppose if you can see it properly, then you can see B is repeated. B is repeated. Okay, so D is also repeated. You can see over here D is repeated over here. So E is also repeated. Okay, so if they are repeated, just write down only one time. Okay, repeated number से एक पल्ला लेख्ने, बाकी और सबै number लेख्ने. So A write down, B repeated, write down B, write down C. Okay, so D is there, write down D. E is there. Okay, so repeated, they are repeated, but write down only one time only. Beta E लेख्ने हैन, only one time only you write down. So F is there, write down F. G is there, write down G. H is there, write down H. Okay, as far as possible, write down in the alphabetical order. Okay, so एउटा order मा लेख्ने. पहिला H लेख्ने, पहिला E लेख्ने, त्यसरी हैन. So write down in the alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, in this way. Let us write down. So this is our answer of A union B. So this is a basic topic, right? This is the basic only. So you on the alikati garo portion I mean in class 9. So this is what we have learned in class 8. Now after learning everything, after revising everything, what we are going to learn in class 9, that we are going to learn okay afterwards. So let us revise whatever we have learned in class 8 first. So B union C. B union C. So what is the value of B? B means B D E H G H. B D E G H. Okay. So union is there. So union. So what is the value of C? C the value of A D E G H I. Okay. A D E G H I. So that is the value. So what means the union? So union means it is all. Okay. Union means all. So what are the numbers? So first of all, B will come or A will come? A will come. So write in A. Okay, then B will come. Then there is there C? No C. D, okay, D is there. I don't D. After D, E comes. Okay, so E is also there. After E, F will come. There is no F. G, H is there. Okay, I is there. So write it in this way. So this is the answer of B union C. Any problem? So this we have done in class 8 also. So this we are going to learn in class 9 also. Okay, it's a basic portion I mean in class 9. So from here we need to prove something. Okay, so that proof wala we learn in class 9. That is the main topic in class 9. So this is the basic only for class 9. Okay, hope you have understood. So A union C. So A union C means please turn on your videos, all of you. Your face should be seen by me. So A, what mean by A? A means A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. So union means, so write down union. What is the value of C? C means A, D, E, G, H, I. A, D, E, G, H, I. Okay. So please write down the answer of this one. Let me hide the answer. And please write down the answer. Answer of A union C.
What?
Okay. Did you get the answer? So after doing it, you need to submit me the answers, right? So write down in a very good handwriting. Let me see whether you have done it properly or not, clearly or not. Okay, so that's right. Write down with a fair handwriting. You can do it in the rough copy. Okay, whatever copies are there in class 8, extra copies are there in class 8, you can use that copy. Okay, so I don't want to make you write in the fair copy. Do not waste the copy, I do waste the copy. If there is any copy left in class 8, you can use that copy also. Okay, let me reveal the answer. So here, so A B C D E F, okay, union A D E H G S G H I is there. So what in the union? Union means all. So write on A, B is there, C is there. So let us write them alphabetically. D is there, E after E, F will come. After F, what will come? G is there, H is there, I is there. Okay, so there is A repeated, B is also repeated, E is also repeated. Okay, and after that, this is going to be our answer. So सबै लेखौँ repeat भएको छैन एकपल्ट मात्रै लेख्ने. Okay, so in this way we are going to get our answer. This is our correct answer. Any problem? If there is any problem, ask me. Is there any problem? Please respond. Okay, so A union B union C. Sometimes it may come like this also. A union B union C. So A union B union C. So write down the value of A. Here is the value of A. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, this is the value of A. What is the value of B? Write down the value of B. Okay, so write down the value of C also. Okay. Then after that, after writing everything, so here also we need to follow the same technique. So write down all the numbers. If they are repeated one time, two time, it may be repeated all three times also. So if they are repeated, write down only one time. एक पल्ट मात्रै लेख्नु त्यसलाई. Okay. So A is there. Write down A. Okay. B, C, D. Let us follow the alphabetical. Okay. Or common so many repeat by any. So A, B, C, D, E, F. After F, what will come? G. Where is G? Is there G? Okay. Is there G? Also write down G. There is H. Okay. After H, what will come? I will come. Is there I? I is also there. Okay. Let us write an I. That means all are included. Yeah. Alphabetically. Okay. So we have written all the numbers. Okay. In this way also we can write down. Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. So union means you need to write down everything. Now let us go to the next topic called intersection. Intersection means only common. So in case of union, you have written everything, but in case of intersection, you need to write an only common number now. So A. Let us write on the value of A, B, C, D, E, F. B means A, B, D, E, G, H. B, D, E, G, H. Now intersection. What in the intersection? Intersection is common. What is common in between these two numbers? Look at here. A is common?
B, D,
No.
E.
E is common. So C is common? No, C is not common. Is D common? Okay, D is also common. E is also common? Okay, E is also common. After that, F is common? No. Okay, G is common? No. H is common? No. That means what are the common numbers? B is there, D is there, F is there. Okay, so sorry, E is there. So this is our answer. So only the common numbers, just common number. That's it. What do we call it? We call it intersection. Let's go to the next topic. Next topic is number F. So please write on the answer of this number F. If we hide the answer, and please tell me what is the answer of B intersection C. The value of B you can write them from here. The value of C you can write them from here. Okay. So intersection now you just need to write on the common only. So tell me what is the answer of this one. Finished? Angela Tamang, Rosmi Rai, and Anushka Magar, please turn on your videos. Let me see whether you are doing or not. Okay, tell me what is the answer of number F? What is common in between these two numbers? So B, oh, this B is not common. D is common. Okay, D is common. E is common. Okay, E is also common. Is there G common? Okay, G is also common. Is there S common? Okay, S is also common. That is what are the common numbers over here? What is the answer? D, E, G, S. So these are the numbers which are repeated over here. Common numbers. Okay. So that's why what you can see over here. So D, E, H, G, H. Okay. So these are the repeated numbers, common numbers we can see over here. D, E, G, H. They are the common numbers. So that means this is going to be our answer. Intersection is just a common number only. Is that okay? Just a common number. Intersection. Okay. So let me hide this one also and please tell me what is the answer of number G. And please be regular from tomorrow, all of you. tomorrow, Sipsar, I think. Sipsar or Amsar. Don't think so. Hope you have got the routine. We'll follow the routine. Okay, A intersection C. Put the value of A, put the value of C. Can you get the value of intersection? Okay, so let me clear this one and show you the answer. So what is the answer of A intersection C? So it is A, B, A. Okay, so what are the common numbers? So you can see A is there common. Okay, so B is common. So A is common, B is also common, and E is also common. Okay, so these are the common numbers, and this is the answer of intersection A intersection C. Okay, so let me go to question number H. A intersection B intersection C. Okay. So in case of intersection, so what do you do? So just put the value first of all. Intersection. Okay. So this is the value of A. This is the value of B. This is the value of C. Okay, that we have got from here. We all have got the answer from here. Now after that, so intersection means what? It is just a common. Now we cannot take the common between two numbers only. We need to take the common in all the numbers. Okay, in all the numbers it must be common. Suppose B may be common in these two numbers, but B is not common here. It must be common in all three numbers. It must be common in all three numbers. So what are the common numbers? Let me clear this. Okay, so what is common? So let us see. A is not common. Okay, A is just common in A and C only. So A is not common. So B is common in only these two, but it is not common here. C is not common. D. Okay, so D, if you see it, then you can see common in all three numbers. Okay, so D, D, and here is also D. So D is common in all three factors. Okay, so E is also common, I think. Okay, so E is also common. So E, E, and E. So E is also common in all three numbers. So F, is it F common in all three numbers? No. Okay, so
No,
after
sir.
that, no need to see all the numbers because the common sign or mother, so it will not be common. Okay, so that means what are the common numbers? D and E is only
D.
the common number. So this is our answer. Intersection means intersection in all means we need to get the intersection in all three numbers. So D is common in two elements, but it is not over here. Okay, it is not in the next element.
Not funny.
So A is common here and here, but it is not present over here. A is not present over here. That means it should be common in all three numbers, all three elements. 1, 2, 3 may only common. So D, 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 E, E, E. That means this is the intersection. Okay, this is our answer. So let me go to the next slide now. Did you understand or not? Any problem? If there is any problem in any number, please ask me. Number F, number G, so I'm not sure you can tell me. Okay, so let me go to number I now.
Huh? It's not.
Let us go to number I. Okay, so there is complement. Okay, so we have learned this complement topic in class 8 also. Complement means except A. complement. B complement is there, C complement. Okay, so A union B complement is there. So what do you mean by complement? Complement means except A. Okay, A bahayko number. A bahayko number means always remember whenever there is complement, the formula for this one is subtract with universal set. U सँग minus गर्ने. What is there? A. That means subtract with U. If there is B complement subtract with U. So U minus B. Okay. So look at here. Look at the general formula here. So here first. So A complement means U minus A. B complement means U minus B. C complement means C minus U minus C. Okay. Whatever complement is there, you are subtracting all the numbers with U. U means universal set. So A union B whole complement means, so it is U minus A union C. Okay. So A union B union C whole complement means, so U minus whatever number is there, remaining numbers, write down the number beside. Okay, so let us start. So A complement. So A complement is U minus A. So what is the value of U? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Right, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Minus A. What is the value of A? Please stay in the silent mode. Okay, so after that, so universal set. U means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I minus. So what is the value of A? A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, when there is minus, whenever there is minus, remember that. So we need to write down only the front answer only. Or radical part from okay. So whenever there is minus sign, so you need to write in the front part only. And minus sign means you need to deduct them. You need to subtract them. So A is there. Okay. So A like argument. Let us deduct A. So B is there. Let us cancel B. There is C. Let us cancel C. There is D. So let us cancel D. There is E. Let us cancel E. F is also there. Let us cancel F. That is what is the remaining number this side. Okay. So if there is some remaining number this side, no need to write down. Okay. If there are some number, cancel them. And what are the numbers remaining now? GHI is remaining. So GHI is our answer. Unsure that take it? Okay. So A complement means you need to subtract with U, universal set. So U minus 1. So U means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I minus A means, so A means A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So if there is minus sign, you need to cancel them. A cancelled, B and B will be cancelled, C and C will be cancelled, D, D, E, E, F, F. Okay, whatever the repeated numbers are there, we need to cancel them. And only write down the front numbers only. What are the remaining number now? GHI is remaining number. So GHI is our answer. Is it okay? So similarly, let us go to the B complement now. B complement means B universal set minus B. So universal set U. Okay, so U means again the same thing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I is there minus B means what? B means B, D, E, H, G, H. Okay, so B, D, E, G, H is there. So what is our technique? So just cancel repeated numbers. B is repeated, D is repeated. Okay, so E is repeated. Next one, H, G is repeated, and H is also repeated. That means what are the remaining numbers remaining now? A, C, A, C. Okay, F is there, I is there. Okay, so this is our answer. Whatever the repeated numbers are there, no need to write them. Okay, and whatever unrepeated numbers are there, you need to write down that as answer. So if that's minus, we need to do in this way. Okay, so there is C complement. Okay, let me hide this one and tell me what will be the answer of this number. Tell me C complement. What will be the answer of this answer? Okay, so this is my general request to all the students. So please be here with your own original name. Okay, if your name is, I think your name is not the Galaxy Grand Prime Plus. Okay, please be invited over here with your own name. I don't think there is any Lakshmi in class 9. Okay, so please do not be invited with your mother's name or sister's name. So please be invited by your own name. Okay, so that I can see, I can do the attendance over here. So tell me, what is the answer of number C complement? So C complement means, so what you have to do? So universal set. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I is there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I minus, what is there in C? C means A, D, E, G, H, I. A, D, E, G, H, I is there. Then again, let me remind you again. So minus sign means you need to subtract them. So A and A will be cancelled. D and D will be cancelled. Okay, so minus sign ma यसरी cancel गर्दै जाने. E and E will be cancelled. G and G, okay, whatever repeated numbers are there, यो सँग जुन repeat भएको छ cancel गरौँ. H is also repeated, I is also repeated. Now just see the front number only. What are the remaining numbers now? B is remaining, C is remaining, F is remaining. So this is going to be our answer. Okay. So this, in this way we need to do our answer. Okay, so let us go to the next number. A union B whole complement. You can just listen only, right? I will send you the photo remaining afterwards, and you can copy this one. Now just see the slide and see how we have done it. Okay, so 40 minutes ma very important. If you start copying everything, it will become slow, then it will be a little bit difficult for you. Okay, so let me go for the next number. A union B whole complement. A union B whole complement is, so again you need to do the subtraction with U, universal set. U minus, what is there under this roof? Your roof. Whenever you complement them, you get A union B is there. So write A union B. So universal set, what do you mean universal set? Again write on the same thing, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I is there. Okay, minus. So A union B. What is the value of A union B? So do you know the value of A union B? Here you got it? I know. This question already come here. Okay, this is the previous question itself. We have already found the value of A union B, isn't it? A union B so let me see, show you the next clip. So A union B, what was the value of A union B? It was A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Do you remember or not? So we have done it previously also. A union B का value अभी निकाली सकते. Okay, A number में निकाली सकते. So A union B means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Union means all. We have found, isn't it? Okay, the same value, let us put it in that question. Okay, I question mark, let us put it. So let us go to the next slide. Look at here. So the same value we are putting up here. A union B का value what is here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, this was the value, isn't it? So let us put the same value. So if we have not found this one, then we need to find this A union B first. Okay, A union B पहिला निकाल्नु पर्छ. That we will learn afterwards after a few days. Okay, so you proof गणित गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ, so we need to find that also first of all. Okay, now so universal set A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I is there. Okay, and union को value A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is there. So if there is minus sign, what you need to do? You need to cancel them. Okay, so cancel गर्दै जाऊ. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, F, G, H. Okay, so they are serially A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. They are also serially. So what is the remaining number? I is there. Okay, so I is our answer. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, so they are cancelled. So what is remaining number? I is remaining. So I is our answer. Okay, so similarly, so B union C whole complement. Okay, you can see the value of B union C in the previous question. Already copy what is the value? So B union C means it is A, B, D, E, G, F, I. Okay. So universal set possibility I have already told you. Okay. So time and again. So A is common, B is common, D is common, okay, E is common, G is also common, and H and I is also common. So what are the remaining numbers now? C and F is remaining. C and F. This is our answer. Okay. You can cancel with the help of pencil, right? So that you can memorize in the future. So how the answer has come. Okay, let me go to the next number. So hope you can do this one. Okay, let me do this one. Okay, you already get the okay, sir. So A union C whole complement. So again you need to do the same thing. So universal same minus one put the same value. So put the value of A union C, your capital I and so on. So in the previous number we have already found this number. A union C the value what you A B C D E F G H I. You can flip the top already fall down. You can see the value of A union C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, let us find out the common numbers. A is common, B is also common, C is common, D is common, E, F. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F common. Okay, so G is also common, H is also common, I is also common. Okay, so this or everything is common. Okay, now if everything is common, then what is the answer? Zero. Zero is also a number, right? Remember, zero one your number. Zero like a pine value. So what you need to do? So put the curly bracket. Don't write any numbers. Just put the curly bracket one only, and inside the curly bracket, don't write anything. Okay, because inside this, the answer of this one is nothing. That means inside the curly bracket, write down nothing. Okay, there is nothing. So just put the curly bracket. Don't write anything. Yeah. Okay. Otherwise, instead of writing curly bracket, okay, so blank curly bracket mark present. Okay, going to something seven. Right? So let me clear this first. So instead of writing this curly bracket, what we can write on? Just write on zero. Zero पनि होइन नि त यो त. Okay. So let us cross it. So zero बनाएर cross गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. Either make it curly bracket, empty set. Otherwise, we can write on zero and cross it. In this way also you can do this number. Hmm. So A union B whole A union B union C whole complement. What is the answer of this one? So okay, we have just 2 minutes left. This video is just for 40 minutes. After that, we are automatically in the offensive. Okay, so that's why be quickly attending this class. 40 मिनटको क्लास हुन्छ 11 बजे ट्याक्कै 11 बजे होइन सो 11 बजेभन्दा अगाडि नै सो बी रेडी विथ द कपी एन्ड पेन्सिल. Okay, so A union B union C whole complement. I can put the value. We already got the answer of this one. Okay, so pick your copy. Already pulled out. You will get the answer of A union B union C. बुझेन नि यो कसरी आयो यो? So complement means so you minus write down the number which is under this roof. So it's what meaning it's a union B union C. Write down this number. So put the value of universal set. Put the value of A union B union C. Again, what is common number? What are the common number? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, everything is repeated here also. Everything is repeated. What is left? Nothing. That means, so inside the curly bracket, write down nothing. Curly bracket, empty curly bracket. So this is called empty set. Okay, null set we can call it. We call it null set. Otherwise we can call it empty set also. Empty set. Okay, so there is nothing inside this set. That's why this is called null set. Otherwise we can call it empty set also. Okay, let us go to the next number. So we just have less than 1 minute. I provided you the homework also. Please do that homework also. Okay, and please submit in this group chat. Okay, number B. You after cutting this video. We have just less than 1 minute. So A intersection B whole complement. Okay, I have already told you how to do it. The answer was already there of A intersection B. Okay, put the value of intersection. And you possibly got it. You I have already told you. Okay, so B and B is common. So D and D they are common. So E and E they are common. Okay, so those you have come just now. See, I will send you the recorded video. So त्यो हेर्ने ल. Okay, what are the remaining number? A is there, C is there, F is there, G is there, H is there, I is there. Okay, this is our answer. So यो पनि त्यसरी गरौँ, यो पनि त्यसरी गरौँ, यो पनि त्यसरी गरौँ. Okay. So let us come to number T. Look at question number T.